Welcome to Auto Luxury, your premier destination for car reviews and updates. Today, we're exploring the 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta, a vehicle that perfectly blends luxury, practicality, and performance for families and executives alike. The 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta features a refreshed and sophisticated design. Its bold front grille, flanked by sleek LED projector headlights, exudes confidence. Chrome accents, redesigned fog lamp housings, and a sculpted bumper add to its premium look. The side profile remains elegant with smooth lines and 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels, while the rear gets updated LED taillights and a sporty spoiler for a modern finish. Inside, the Innova Crysta welcomes you with a spacious and luxurious cabin. Plush leather seats, a wood-accented dashboard, and ambient lighting create a premium atmosphere. The 10.1-inch touchscreen infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, keeping you connected on the go. Other highlights include a digital instrument cluster, wireless charging, and a rear entertainment system, ensuring maximum comfort and convenience for all passengers. Under the hood, the 2025 Innova Crysta offers a choice between a 2.4-liter diesel engine and a 2.7-liter petrol engine. Both options deliver smooth performance, with the diesel variant producing 150 horsepower and the petrol delivering 166 horsepower. Paired with either a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission, the Crysta provides a seamless driving experience, whether in the city or on long highways. Safety remains a top priority, with features like 7 airbags, ABS with EBD, vehicle stability control, and a 360-degree camera. Toyota's global platform ensures the Innova Crysta maintains its reputation for reliability and durability. Starting at 20 lakh rupees, the 2025 Toyota Innova Crysta is an ideal choice for those seeking a premium MPV with advanced features and unbeatable reliability. Thank you for watching Auto Luxury. What are your thoughts on the new Toyota Innova Crysta? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting car updates. See you in the next video.